How to access APFS and AMP or HFS plus drive on Windows. In this video, I will show you how can you easily access APFS or HFS on Windows. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open any of the web browser to download the software Paragon. As you won't be able to access APFS or HFS in your Windows device without any third-party software, so I recommend Paragon software to download in your device to access those files. After that, in the Paragon, you need to download any one of the software which is suitable for your device, either HFS plus Windows by Paragon software or APFS. If you don't know which is suitable, simply download both the software and try running any one of it. So once you have found the suitable software for your device, simply download its package and there you will be able to find the access with APFS file or HFS on Windows. So that's it. That is how easily you can find the access of APFS and AMP or HFS plus drive on Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.